like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. Right now, looking at a 2018 Honda Ridgeline. This vehicle is damaged from a tree branch that fell on the vehicle. Just doing some minor cosmetic damage. See there's some damage here on the fender. Not really into the apron at all, just cosmetic. Engine compartment looks really good. No damage here. Vehicle does run and drive. We'll do a walk around in a minute. You can see all the body damage. It's pretty much a whole truck. Really nice. You have to excuse the video. A lot of cars in here. It's super tight. This side here looks pretty clean. This is where the tree branch part of it fell. Did some damage to the roof. We replaced the windshield to keep all the elements out. Nice and clean. No structural damage, no chassis damage. Really nice builder. Could probably drive this thing home if you wanted to from here. You can see the hood needs to be replaced. Keystone probably makes a lot of these parts aftermarket. You have some damage up here. Probably repair the damage on the roof or do a roof skin. Sides, the doors are clean. Bed side is clean. It's got a bed cover. It's a nice plus. All-wheel drive. Salvage title. Let's take a look inside. You have the leather interior. Really nice, clean. Sunroof. Really nice. Easy fix. Shouldn't cost much to bring it back. You have no airbags that are deployed. It's a pretty simple fix. It'll be on the website soon. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.